Hey, this is how to play Working Day and Night by Michael Jackson. And this song is from Off the Wall. I'm teaching you the whole album, and it starts with an E minor 7. And those chords there, that's an E minor 7, right, root position. But I'm just moving those top two notes down and playing it here. Because we need those melody notes. And to get that G on top, we play the E minor there. We play the B minor 7 here. It would normally be this. We'd just start with the A at the bottom. And then A7 would normally be this. But again, I'm going to put the G at the bottom. So G, A, C sharp, E, and we've got A7, da, da, da. And those are our three chords that make the whole groove of the song, basically all the way through, for Working Day and Night. So, we can go around that a little bit first for the intro. Guitarist goes ba-da-bum, jing-a-ding. But we don't have to do that on the piano. Biddy-doo. But I always hear it in my head because it's part of the song. When we go into the verse, we're going to go ooh my honey, like that. Ooh my honey, you got me working day and night. And ow, ooh my sugar, you got me working day and night. Scratch my shoulder, I'm aching, make it feel alright. When this is over, loving you will be so right. I often wonder if loving you will be tonight. But what is love, girl, if I'm always out of sight? That's why you've got me working day and night, and I'll be working from sun up to midnight. And that is A6 for this next section, alright? A with a 6 on top, A, C sharp, E, F sharp, and then G6, the same thing but a tone down, G, B, D and E. That's a 6 chord, a major chord with an added 6. You could take out the third, but to make it fuller, play all 4 notes. That's why you got me working day and night, and I'll be working outside up to midnight. I used to sing outside up, but that doesn't really make sense. The lyric is from sun up to midnight, from sun up to midnight, and that is a B5 chord. A 5 chord is just like a power chord, normally for guitarists, but on piano too, you can just take out the third and suddenly you've got a power chord. Just the root and the 5th, you can always double the root. Ba, 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 ba. And we're back into the chorus. Got me working, working day and night. And that is the same groove from the verse. So you got me working, working day and night. Ba-da-da. You got me working, working day and night. And we're just playing E minor 7, B minor 7, and A7 still. You got me working, working day and night. Yeah, you got me working, working day and night. Alright, we're going into another verse. The second verse is, you say that working is what a man's supposed to do. But I'm not going to play through the whole verse because it's just the same 3 chords all the way through. And then we've got another pre-chorus again, same again as before. Got me working day and night, and I'll be working from sun up to midnight. Alright. And the chorus again at the end. You got me working, working day and night. You got me working, working day and night. You gotta hit those chords at the right place. Got me working day and night. You got me working, working day and night. And then you got Michael singing, hold on, and some great backing vocals, and a he. And then we've got some sort of like a breakdown section really, where there's kind of like some melody that goes bum bum ba da ba dum, bum bum ba da ba dum, D D D D E flat E. Really cool. And all the while that's going on, this groove carries on. And then we got another verse. You say that working is what a man's supposed to do. and another pre-chorus. That's why you got me working day and night, and I'll be working from sun to midnight. Got me working day and night. And another chorus and an interlude, and it's the same 3 chords all the way through until the end. Got me working day and night. And that's Working Day and Night all the way through. You've got all the sections anyway, and it's just mainly those 3 chords and those pre-choruses. Chorus and verse basically are the same chords, which is great. This, by the way, is a Roland FP-30X. If you haven't got a piano, you can find the link to it and my other gear that I use in the description and the pinned comment, in case you haven't already got a piano. Hope you enjoyed this one. Click like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one, which I'm not sure which one I'm going to do next, but something from Off the Wall, and then maybe something from Bad. If you've got comments or anything you want to request, like another song you want to learn, that's fine too. I'll check it out, and it'll be coming soon. See you next one. Cheers.